The Malaysia Maritime Enforcement Agency Mmea is asked to establish a monitoring centre in Kuala Sungai Burung, Perak to deal with intrusion by dragnet trawlers in Tanjung Sengkar Piandang, Kuala Kurau in Perak. Enforcement Agency Integrity Commission EAIC Chairman Datuk Yaakob Mansam said Mmea needed to increase the number of enforcement personnel, security posts, provide adequate equipment and conduct on-the-spot patrols in the area. Datuk Yaakob also said Mmea should also update its Standard Operating Procedure SOP and procedures in handling complaints so that any information or the identity of whistleblowers is not leaked by unscrupulous people. He urged all three relevant agencies, namely Mmea, Fisheries Department and Marine Police, to constantly conduct joint patrols more frequently to reduce incidences of such intrusions.